Brian here at 5-Star Engines. Well, we're not working on snow blowers, but there is one coming in. But we're working on a Stihl Ms 270 chainsaw. These are pretty tough units, kind of more on the commercial end. Fella brings me the chainsaw and says won't run. So we took the cover off, and yeah, it's like this air filter is like sawdust, like heaven. It can't breathe, and you'll see it's a mess here. And the spark plug, look at that. She's all black and oily, and it got that way because the saw couldn't breathe. Air filtration, it's important in your car. It's important to a lot of things, but more so in things that create dust. That being said, chainsaws. And I actually have a Stihl concrete saw, which is even worse, because they create such a fine powder that they have a triple filter system on them. So we're gonna, this thing here, I gave it a shot of gas. She'll run. Fortunately right now there's nothing wrong with the carburetor. We're gonna clean all this. We're gonna clean the air filter, put a new plug in it. The gasoline, I suspect, is gone bad. It's probably got, it's ethanol in it, and I don't know how long it sat, so after about 60 days, it's junkaroo. So anyways, this won't need a lot of work, and the guy will be happy, but you know what, we don't do a half a job here. We're going to take the screen off there. We're going to clean that. We're going to clean the front of the saw. We're going to take the chain case cover, clean it all off, and then when this guy gets it back, he'll feel good about it because it's cleaned up nice, and that little bit extra helps. Anyways, Brian at 5-Star Engines, please like and subscribe. Have a great day.